Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use handwriting on threads. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, the handwriting feature on thread is not a native feature built in the application, but user can use their device handwriting input capabilities to write the posts or comments on the app. That means you will need to set up your system's keyboard so you can be able to start use the handwriting on your app. So now we want to go to settings, and after that we will want to go either to language and input, or you can simply go to personalization. It really depends on the type of your system or the system version that you are using. In my case, I have this system settings, which is the languages and input. So from here, you will want to start using or enabling handwriting inputs, and also depends on your system. If you have the handwriting option that will be showing here, you will be able to enable it, and then you can start using handwriting as input in text fields. So after that you have enabled this feature or this option, you will be needing to go to your Threads app, and from there you will be able to start creating your thread. And by creating your thread, it will give you the keyboard where you want to start filling this option or this text field. And from here, you will be needing to simply change the keyboard from the regular keyboard with the keys into the handwriting option that you have enabled into your system. So you will have something similar to a pen icon or anything, and then you will be able to start drawing your uh, handwriting, and then it would be translated to a text, and you can add it here. So at the end, you will post just your thread, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.